Hello, I'm Teacher Peter Okware, the Director of Teachers in Need, and we are located in Kampala, Uganda. We work with the primary schools, secondary schools, ECD and tertiary or teacher training centers. We work with the Ministry of Education and various stakeholders in education. And today we would like to appreciate Direct Aid Society for giving us this rare opportunity of improving the quality of teachers and enabling the school and the organization achieve and attain its set objective of quality education in Uganda. And today we have been at Aisha Centre, where we have trained both primary and secondary teachers in a 5-day training in the areas of competence-based education, how to interpret the curriculum, professional and personal development, how to promote reading using the RICA approach. And we have worked with all the teachers. We have worked with those of the primary section, the secondary section, and also the caregivers. I take this opportunity to thank the director of Aisha Centre in Chibisi for allowing us to at least work with the teachers, and in a special way I also appreciate the head teacher for both the primary section and the secondary section.
My name is Mr. Sifka Hassan, the head teacher Hadijah Islamic Girls Primary School at Aisha Centre, Chibisi in Luwero. I want to thank the Direct Aid Society for organizing a workshop under the Teachers in Need that they've conducted for us a workshop about the reading skills and methodologies of the teachers. Most teachers in Uganda and all over the world, they know how to teach, but they may not be knowing how to make learners understand. And this has been the gist of all the workshops that we've conducted.
I would like to take this opportunity, first of all, to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who has enabled us to come here for the workshop. I thank Direct Aid for the organization, and I thank my immediate boss, Sheikh Mustafa, for the arrangement. I would like to thank all teachers for attending the workshop, and I hope they have benefited from this workshop. We learned so many things on new curriculum. Right now, we know how we can handle our students and how the lesson can be student-centered.
We are indeed grateful for the great opportunity of learning and refreshing our profession, we as teachers of the secondary section. Before you is Sanula Kutaira, an English teacher. There is a common proverb that says, when I hear, I forget, when I see, I remember, when I do, I understand. And I would like to acknowledge the fact that we have not just heard, but seen and done as the new curriculum demands that we consider the different learning capabilities of each learner.
We have had 100% representation from all the sections, and the attendance has been 100% positive from both the primary section and the secondary section. We strongly believe that if teachers implement whatever has been learned, a lot is going to change, and we surely believe that the best is yet to come, and we're going to have an improved center with high levels of academic performance and standard. Thank you very much, Direct Aid Society. Thank you, Aisha Centre. Thank you, Hadijah Schools.